Tuesday.
our Bible study online.
It's
This Tuesday. This coming Tuesday.
Okay.
And can you add our visitors? If you can join at 9:30 every Tuesday.
Another Tuesday.
Every other Tuesday. So
Every
twice a month.
Twice a
month.
Yeah, if you could download
Google Meet.
Google Meet.
Ibalin natin. Babaguhin.
Because last time you remember it's cutting off
It's
the
very hard.
voting, they're cutting off the line and you have to answer every time.
Yeah, so it's hard. So we will try Google Meet this time. So Google Meet ba? Tawag?
Yes,
Google Meet.
Bakit ang Zoom?
Zoom
Limited.
you need to pay if you're so many.
So many.
Yeah. So we'll try Google Meet this time and we'll meet from 9:30. It's usually 1 hour or more.
Yeah,
Or maybe 1.5, 1.5, no? So
it will depend.
Bigay ang mga anak, ang mga ano.
yeah, only if you could, if you
Can you
can.
Google
you
me?
can.
It's only.
Alexa will announce in the group, in our group. Then add if you can.
Maybe
Yung
you
mga
can.
walang gagawin at
It's via
Kung maka-attend kayo,
Yeah,
9:30.
Online lang yun. Ano man.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Every other.
Meron pa ba? Announcement. So we don't have any second service until
Wala.
Until next
Babae
week.
na.
Until next week.
Wala naman. Babae na tayo.
But next month,
Lalaki.
next week,
Next
we have men's fellowship.
Hindi.
Yeah,
First
no.
Ayun.
First, wala tayong men's fellowship, puro women. Kasi sila na naka-assign na mag sa first
for
time.
the
So we'll have ladies fellowship next
First
week.
week.
First Sunday of
First
the month.
week.
brethren, before the purpose of men's fellowship to practice as pastor. But then now,
preaching,
but now we.
But did you see them improving every
Yeah,
day?
yeah. We grow.
God is good, yeah?
Thanks.
And hearing Brother Randy speaking in English.
Yeah.
Thank you for risking your life and trying and for God's glory. Everything we do here is for God's glory.
Yes, yun yun.
It's
Hindi sa atin,
not,
para kayo.
yeah, it's not us, it's God.